Okay, today we're going to take a look at another nice little Zippo. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box, and it says Ann Stokes. And of course this was made in Bradford, PA, USA. Now the box is kind of a collectible box. It says it's from the Ann Stokes collection, and it's licensed by AnnStokes.com, artagency.com. So this one is on a high polish body, and it was made in, looks like D of 16, April of 16, and you can see the stamping on there, Bradford, PA, made in USA. High polish, nice skull with some shades on. And down on the right, it also has the Ann Stokes logo on it. Fires up real nice. Real good sound. It's got a steel insert. Like I said, it's on the high polish finish. Pretty good skull. Zippo likes skulls on their lighters. That's the Ann Stokes addition to Zippo's world. She does lots of Gothic work, and that deserves a little bit of cowbell. Ann Stokes. Knuckle bump.